Good morning. Uh, Welcome to another video blog of positive living, part of my Positive the Series web series on YouTube. I'm Jerome Singletary, your host, and it's about 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And not only am I waking up, I'm actually sort of waking up, from almost a week-long fog. Heavy duty pain meds and heavy duty pain. Oh man, being unable to move as freely as I wanted to, and then of course the most disturbing side effect that I have to report is the fact that I get uncontrollable hiccups that are incessant, and they usually last for about, let's say, 36 to 48 hours. Well, this time they lasted 5 days, nonstop. And as a result, I had to receive, be given Thorazine. And it took them about 16 hours to sort of hem and haw and go back and forth over whether or not it would be something that they would decide to give to me. But I think at like 4:30 in the morning, they were receiving complaints from the other convalescents. The people convalescing next door to me. They were receiving complaints from them about my hiccuping keeping them up. So they decided to give me the Thorazine. Wow, giving me that Thorazine, man, let me tell you, it knocked me for a loop. It knocked me on my ass pretty much for a day and a half. So, um, even though my aunt did come see me yesterday, which I was happy to see her, and it was good to see Jackie and her two kids, and I'm just sort of confused as to when exactly all that happened because my timeline is a little askew at the present. So, but be that as it may, it seemed to have so far helped with the hiccups. And today we're gonna make today the real start of the beginning of my true rehabilitation on this hip. I'm gonna really dial into my physical therapy, my occupational therapy. I'm ready. I'm ready now, guys. So I just wanted to pop in this morning and just let you know. I know you hadn't heard from me in a while, and I hadn't really been posting anything on Facebook. That's because my ass was asleep. So I just want you to know that I'm up, I'm dialed in, and I'm ready to assimilate this new hip and keep it moving. So, as I always say, don't be sorry, be fierce, and you know, stay positive because I know I will. Take good care. Have a great day.